Hi guys, how's it going? Salman is here from SignalsView. So we're looking to sell the USD CAD. USD CAD rose from 1.3580 right here. That was strong support all the way up. So it rose almost 2% and 260 points. Okay. So there are some reasons. First of all, the DXY was kind of rising a little bit as the stock market was falling. So that was a strength of the USD CAD a little bit, not too much. Second reason that it did rise from the first place is the US oil. Okay. So the US oil was falling. So this usually affects the Canadian dollar. So Canadian was weak. Okay. So that will make USD CAD go up. Third reason we have is the Canadian central bank, they cut rates. Okay. So when they cut rates, Canadian currency gets a little bit weaker. So that's why the USD CAD was actually going up. So now it's about time to reverse. Okay, guys. So we highlighted this 1.3850 to 1.3890 as a selling area. Start from here. So we should sell from here in case it rose. I don't think so, but in case it rose, we sell again to this area. Then our target's at 1.3687, 1.3717. At this area, we should get a correction all the way up here. Don't buy this correction just in case it continue down. Okay. Then we can sell it again from 1.3760, 1.3790, all the way down to here. Okay. Thank you.